Namaskar and good evening. Today we'll discuss about a good result that has been declared. The result season has started with some good results like India Bulls Ventures Limited. Today it has declared its result and it is heartwarming. It's quite good. Let us review the Q2 results of INDIABULLS Ventures Limited. The total revenue for Q2 of FY19 is at rupees 476 crores, which is 38% higher quarter on quarter, above the previous Q1 quarter revenue of 345 crores. So quarter on quarter, that is compared to previous quarter. Now current quarter 476 crores and previous quarter 345 crores. So quarter on quarter growth is 38%. Quite impressive. Now let us go to year on year. Year on year growth is 193%. Compared to Q2 FY18 revenue, last year Q2 revenue of 163 crores. Now 470 crores, last year 163 crores. Now, the total expenses also have grown. For Q2 is 299 crores, which is higher by 204% over Q2 of FY18, that is year on year, higher by 204%. And quarter on quarter it is higher by 30%. So revenue has grown very well, but expenses have also grown very well. Now let's come to net profit. Net profit in Q2 is 141 crores, which is higher by 154% year on year. 154% year on year net profit is higher over Q2 of last year 18. And quarter on quarter, if you see, there also it is 60% higher quarter on quarter. So both revenue and net profit have grown very impressively. The paid up equity capital is 111 crores. The diluted EPS is 2.46 rupees 2.46 over a face value of rupees 2. On 2, quarterly 2.46 earning is reasonably good. But the price earning ratio comes to around 38. Current price is around 377, something like that. On that, the price earning ratio comes to around 38. 38, is it very high or very low? Normally high. But for a company which is producing consistently very good results, the price earning of even 50 is not high. Actually, INDIABULLS was having 50, 60, 70 also. Now it has fallen to 38. So again it may go up to 50, 60, 70 levels. So it demands and commands a very high price earning. So the Q1 results are really very good. The Q1 results also, that is, let us see the previous quarter. I said it is consistently producing good results. How was Q1? Q1 net sales had gone up by 108% year on year and 26% quarter on quarter. Net sales have gone up by 108% year on year and 26% quarter on quarter. Last quarter also it was like that. Net profits had gone up by 74% year on year and 44% quarter on quarter. So Q1 also was good and Q2 is much better. Now let us take a look at the latest annual report for the year FY 17-18. Samir Gehlaut is the chairman and also the founder of INDIABULLS Ventures, and Divya Shah is the chief executive officer and whole-time director. INDIABULLS Ventures has two subsidiaries, IBVL Finance Limited and INDIABULLS Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. They are the two subsidiaries. Of them, currently IBVL Finance is very active in consumer finance, etc. In 2017-18, last year, actually IBV Limited ventured into consumer finance in a big way. So, and it was doing it very well, as we have seen the results also. In March 18, it raised 20.6 billion rupees through a right issue. The right issue was subscribed to by most of the existing equity investors. 15 billion is yet to be received, 20.6 billion has been received. Now, IBVL Finance, the subsidiary, has launched a good app. It is an end-to-end personal loan fulfillment app. It was launched in November 2017 for instant loan fulfillment for the customers. Now, the company says Aadhaar is providing a very good method of locating the potential subscribers and giving them the loan. So it says huge opportunity exists in India for the personal loan disbursement business, and the company is availing this opportunity. In the very first year itself, the company has disbursed 13.4 billion personal loans, and the company is very ambitious. It says it will definitely leap ahead of its peers in this business. There are many of its peers. I don't know whom exactly is mentioning, but there are eminently successful peers like Bajaj Finance. I don't know whether he is mentioning that. He is not mentioning that. But he says, I will go ahead beyond the peers in the coming years. It has also entered, apart from personal loans, MSMEs. Medium and small scale enterprises, there also he has entered, and he has gathered all details of who has availed loans, who has not availed loans, and he is targeting those who have not availed loans. He says it's also a very big business, and the disbursals he has made so far is 31.1 billion. Here secured and unsecured also, he says. Of course, this unsecured loan business is there with every finance company, but that is the problematic side. I hope the company will take good care in giving the personal loans to the unsecured loans to good people who will definitely repay. Now, the total assets under management as of now is 40 billion rupees. In FY18, now annual results, let us see. So, small details will give. The total revenue was 202 crores with a net profit of 52 crores. Not bad. For that previous year was 47 crores only. Then 17-18 it is 52 crores. The company shows two segments because two subsidiaries are there, like the of course that is one side. One is personal loans, consumer finance and related activities, number one. Number two is broking and related activities. Broking and related activities, consumer finance and related activities. These are the two segments in which it is operating. Broking revenues, etc. are falling down. Consumer finance, etc. is going up very fast. Broking also has not fallen down, but its revenues are not growing much. Last year, the company did not pay any dividend. Now, in May, the company had approved to raise 2,063 crores. Preferential offer and issue of up to 4 crores 58 lakh and odd equity shares at a premium of 450. Now, you know what happened after May. So, the prices have fallen abysmally. INDIABULLS Finance share also has fallen very abysmally, and I think this has not materialized. Now, in any case, will it go to 450 now? Let us hope so. Now you can invest on that hope. The company is a good company. The company is progressing well. The company knows its business, and it is depending upon technology and other aspects, management aspects, to disburse loans, collect, etc. So I do hope it will be successful. It has got that confidence. It says, I will go beyond my pace in the coming years. If that be so, it's worth investing. If that be so. But future is always, for any company, always comes with a question mark. You should be watching. Now, listen to every one of these Q2 results 2 or 3 times, and then take your decisions. So far the correction mode was there in the market. Slowly that may go. So tomorrow onwards, the INDIABULLS Ventures Limited price also may start going up. Just watch out. And I'll be back with you with some more results as and when they are declared. Thanks for listening. Do subscribe, and also tell your investor friends to subscribe. This is not a period, the correction phase is not a period to be disappointed in unhappy mode. No. This is the best time for investment in the best possible companies. You are getting results, select the best. In fact, when I entered in 2009, it was one of the best periods. It rewarded me well at that time. Then there were down times, up times, etc. Now again a down time. Probably now again up time will come. Of course, elections will be an issue. But for a long-term investor, nothing need deter him. Elections, no problem. Thanks for listening. Again, I reiterate, please subscribe to the channel, and ask your friends also to subscribe to the channel and become good long-term investors. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you.